Okay, we have to go out there again. This has been going on all night long. You see how it's rocking? Well, last night it was, oh boy, it was worse than this. This feels like a little bit of a rocking. Last night was, are we gonna tip over? Yeah, it calms down during the day. She's still sleeping. So I'm gonna let her sleep as long as she wants, because this is what we have to face. Like I said, that's mild compared to last night. She won't be able to walk in that. I took her out yesterday and it was not even that strong and she was toppling over. So, uh-oh, I hear her. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Wait till it dies down because there's no way we can go out there right now. I just noticed that my refrigerator is above 40. It's never even close to 40. It's always like under 30. So I'm wondering if all the winds are causing the pilot light to blow out, what's going on. I don't know. So I'm keeping an eye on it. You don't want to go out there, do you? You want to go out there? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that, Roxy. It's moving. It's a bush. It's a bush moving. Oh my goodness. You're not too worried, are you? She's not too worried as long as she's in here. What is that? What is that? She's like, not my monkey, not my circus. I'm in here. Look what the winds did. Wow. That's crazy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Huh. Just created a hole. 3 against 1. They won't go very far. He's like, get back here. Get back here. He's like, can we go, Mom? Can we go? They're trying to get permission. They're cute. Hi, baby girl. Let's go see before the winds start. Come on, we got a little bit of a break. Good girl. Come on. We're trying to time it just right. The wind had stopped for a bit, but she was sleeping. And then she woke up and it started to pick up. So I don't want to take her out there if it's too windy, but I definitely want to take her out there before the crazy winds start, because it says at 8 o'clock they're starting. Yeah, we're gonna go outside. She's like, no, we're not. All right, I think it's time. Man, you don't appreciate calm weather until you get those crazy winds. Those dogs, they're all playing. They're pups. She's just an old girl. Just go. Keep an eye on those other dogs. Ready to go back? All done? Try to get as much exercise now because it's going to be windy all day. Oh, I know. Look at her eye. She heard it when she fell down. Let me see your eye. It popped open. She's okay. I cleaned her up. I put some medicine on it. I think it's actually a good thing that it popped open. Huh, Roxy? Yeah, it looks much better. Look at that. That actually was a good thing. Huh, yeah. The doctor, the vet had told me before to, squeeze it. I didn't want to squeeze it. I didn't want to hurt her. What a good girl. It's going to be much better now. Much better. I think I have enough food for the day. We're going to have to get creative if we're going to stay the night. I gave her some cottage cheese yesterday. Just a little bit. And I do have a little bit of yogurt. The plain yogurt. They can have that. I don't have any canned meat. Otherwise, I would mix just a little bit of that in there. I have tuna. I could probably put some of that in there. I have rice. So we'll make it work out. Today will be the last day of these winds, and I think it's going to be more calm. I've had friends call me wondering if I'm okay with the fires that are going on in California, and we are okay. We are okay. It's very, very sad. Very sad. Horrible. I know you guys will see this later, you know, after, I mean, hopefully it's after the fires are already put out, but right now we just had some crazy California fires break out. I think there's like 5 of them, which is very weird. And then the winds that we've had sure don't help matters. So I'm wondering if it's arson related. You know, a lot of times when we've got these Santa Ana winds, the little lightning bugs come out and cause havoc. But what's interesting is one of the places that the fires are happening is a place that I've been offered to park and live, and I just never had peace about it. So, and I just been praying about it. It's a very beautiful area, exclusive area, but just something, I just thought, I don't want to like fall into the ocean. I didn't even think about fires, but it's just so close to the coast. And I was just like, oh, it's gorgeous. And the offer was just amazing, but just something about it just wasn't giving me peace. And it just felt, I guess, just like what everybody's going through right now. It's just hard to get out of there, you know, if there is an emergency. So unfortunately, a lot of those residents in that area have lost their whole homes and possessions, and you know, thank God they walked away alive, you know. But I mean, you've built a life, you know, 60 years, 50 years living in an area, and you've built, you know, memories and friendships and connections and everything. It's hard to just see it go up in smoke. So, and now what's crazy is they said that they didn't have water in the fire hydrants. There was no access to water. Like, oh, it just sounds weird. It's just weird because this is the season when the Santa Ana winds come, and you know, those are fire zones, and I don't know, just something seems weird. But anyways, I don't really want to get into that. I'm just very thankful that we are safe. You know, we can deal with the winds. I checked on some friends and family members, and they've lost power. So there's major power outages, but everyone's safe. So, you know, it goes to show, like, no matter where you live, sticks and bricks, RV, anywhere, like anything can happen. You can't get too attached to your belongings. Anything can happen. And I think the most important thing is connection, friendships, connections, family, just having a community. So I'm going to try to work on that this year, is just having more community. I have really good, you know, friends and family, but I'm the kind of person that just, I go off on my own, you know, and I don't really put an effort in a lot of those relationships like I should. And I think that's got to kind of change a little bit this year. It's just so out of my nature, but you have to make an effort, right? You make an effort for things that are important to you. So if it's a priority, you make an effort. All right, guys. It's just a very somber, kind of weird day. But anyways, hope you guys are well. Keep those people in prayer, and just, you know, reach out to your neighbor and just connect. Okay, bye guys.